Most breads spike hunger fast. This recipe was made differently. In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Grate some lemon skin on our dough and put some black pepper if you like. Then add some fresh rosemary. Now mix for incorporate everything. Now add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix again until smooth. Now our bread is ready to rest. Put it in a bowl and cover it. Then let it rest in a dry and warm place. Let it rest from 3 to 12 hours. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table. And look how much our dough has risen. Divide it in 2 portions. And make 2 balls by stretching the dough. Let these balls rest for 10 minutes. Again, put some flour on the table. Take back one of the 2 balls, flour it, and flour also a rolling pin. Then roll out the ball into a flat disc. Make sure it doesn't stick. And roll it until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Like so. And repeat with the other dough ball. Let these discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-high heat, and once hot, put a bread disc inside. After about 30 seconds, flip it to the other side. Repeat this process about 4 times. Once the bread is cooked, you can wrap it around a towel to keep it warm. Finally, our bread is ready. It's super soft to the touch and it smells amazing. If you think this bread was different, wait until you see the next one. Watch it in this video.